How to change Monopoly Go profile picture. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you on how you can change your Monopoly Go profile picture. So without further ado, let's get started. First thing you need to do is to open up your Monopoly Go app. Once you got here, you can tap the three tabs on the top right corner of the screen. And you can click your name. You might notice that your profile pic or avatar is set to the default one. You cannot change it by tapping the picture. What you can do is to connect your FB account and it will set the profile pic on your FB in the Monopoly game. You can then change your Facebook profile pic and it will automatically also change the profile pic here in Monopoly Go. I hope you get it. And that's how to change Monopoly Go profile picture. I hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial. See you soon in the next video.